In this video, I will show you how to embed PowerPoint slides on your WordPress website quickly and easily. So people can either view this straight from the website just like this, or they can open up a full screen view of your PowerPoint presentation and they can view it full screen. This is also going to give them the option to download the presentation if they would like to. And with all of that being said, let's now jump in. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. So now that we have access to Elfsight and all of the widgets inside of Elfsight, there's around 100 of these. So you might even want to come in here and play around with the other widgets once we have the PowerPoint added. But to add the PowerPoint, we want to go to the top up here, and in this search widgets bar in the top right corner, the widget that we are looking for is called File Embed. So we can go ahead and type in file and we can see the File Embed widget is going to appear. So we can now go ahead and click into this. And when it asks us to choose a template, the template that we want to choose is this PowerPoint presentation. So we can select this and then click continue with this template. And now inside of here in this content area, this is where we want to upload the PowerPoint presentation that we have created. So all we have to do is click on add file right here. We can then click on upload files and click on browse. And then from all of your files, you can go ahead and choose the PowerPoint presentation that you want to upload. You can add as many files as you would like in here. And once the content has been added, we can then come down to layout and we can choose if we want to view this in the file viewer. This is the one I recommend because this is going to allow people to view this on the website. If we go with one of these other options like a grid or list, it's only going to allow people to download and it won't actually embed and show this on the site. We then have a few other options in here, like if we would like to show the file icon, we can turn this on and off. We can choose the preview image size if we uploaded one. We can also choose the download settings right here, like what this download button says, and if we want this download button on. And then we can also choose the width and height of this as well. Once we have this all set up, we can then go into appearance, and this is where we can choose the colors that we use for this PowerPoint presentation. So this isn't going to affect the actual presentation, of course, but we can adjust like the name color. As you can see right there, we can choose like the icon color, the download link color, the background color, and all of that good stuff. Once we have this set up and created, all we then need to do is click on publish. And then Elfsight is going to take us over to this screen where we can now choose a plan. Now the plan that you go for is going to depend on how many monthly website views you get. We also have this free plan, which is absolutely awesome for if you have a smaller website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. But keep in mind that this is pretty limited. This is limited to 200 views per month, and it also comes with Elfsight branding. So if you want to put this live and on your website, I recommend going with one of these paid plans and go for the one that matches the monthly website views that your website gets. Once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight is then going to take us over to this screen where we are going to get this piece of code. And now this code is what we are going to use to embed the PowerPoint presentation onto your WordPress website. So all we need to do is click right here on copy code. And then we can go over to the WordPress editor right here. And then all we need to do is scroll down on the website until you find the section where you want to add this. Then all we need to do is click on this plus icon. In this search bar, we search for HTML. This is the element that we need. We just drag this element into the website. And then once this box opens up, we just click in here and paste the code. So that is all now done and created. This code right here is only visible on the back end when we are in the WordPress editor. And on the actual website, this code is not going to be visible and it's going to be replaced with the PowerPoint presentation that we just embedded. So to show you this, we can now go ahead and save the website and open up a website preview. And now if we scroll down to where we added this, as you can see, the PowerPoint presentation has now been added to our WordPress website.